Look closely. The animal that just ran out of the frame could be a killer wolf. But forest officials get only a few seconds to decide their next course of action. Is this the same wolf that attacked? Where will it go next? Sometimes in the blur of the chase, it's hard to tell if it's even a wolf at all, or a hybrid that has lost its fear of man.
गांव के आसपास हिंसक वन्यजीव होने की आशंका है।
This is the reality in UP's Bahraich. While the drones watch from above, the ground is a fortress of fear. Every rustle in the stalks, every shifting shadow is treated as a potential killer. But for Nankai Devi, the warning came too late. On 22nd of December 2025, at 4 a.m., she was feeding her 3-year-old son Ansh when the wall of white fog gave way to a nightmare.
हम अपने बेटे के लिए कनियम सोइत रहा जागर लड़का दूध पियत रहा दूध पियते में हमारे भैया को उठाए ले।
Ansh was the 12th victim since September 2025. His body was found 2 kilometers away, gnawed and listless, a sight that the range officer described as heartbreaking. In 2024, 10 children succumbed in Mahsi and over 30 were injured. Operation Bheria had finally put a stop to the menace, but not for too long. In 2025, the hotspot shifted 50 kilometers away to Kaisarganj. This time the toll was over 12, 30 plus injured. These predators don't just hunt, they choose. Of the 12 dead, 10 were toddlers under 5. The others, the elderly and the infirm. Most strikes happen in the ghostly hours between midnight and dawn.
12 बजे रात का लेके बच्चा को अपने पकड़े रहन तो के लेटरिन लगा के लेटरिन कराएं उसके बाद में ओका फिर लेटरिन नहीं की बस लेके हम लेट गए बस 11:30 बजे 12:30 बजे बस लेके कन्या छीन के भाग गए भेड़िया रात में तब हम दौड़े चिल्लाए कुछ नहीं कर पाए मम्मा फिर अपनी सासू घर आए तो लाठी लेके दौड़ी तो गिर पड़ी.
Kiran's surviving daughter, Sapna, does not stay with her either. She was so traumatized, she begged to be sent away, saying, "The wolf has eaten my brother, it will eat me too." The sugarcane fields surround the hamlets here, their stalks taller than NBA players, making it an impenetrable maze that hides the ghosts of darkness. The attacks were not restricted to the dark. 5-year-old Star was snatched at 4 p.m. in broad daylight, little Jyoti at 8 in the morning. It wasn't just the houses near the boundary that were being attacked. Even a home in the heart of the village offered no sanctuary for Ansh. 11 wolves have been neutralized till January 2nd. But in the silence of the sugarcane, the fear still lurks. On the very day that the last wolf was neutralized, Rekha, a preteen girl, came face to face with the horror of Bahraich.
जब तक मैं वहाँ पे खड़ी थी तब तक वो वहाँ पे वो भी खड़ा था जब मैं भागी तब वो भी गया गन्ने में.
But the predators are not alone. They have unexpected allies, poverty and a certain way of life that has become second nature. Many homes here lack doors. People prefer to sleep out in the open. In many families, the men have migrated for work, leaving mothers alone to guard the kids. Now the doors are lined with nets, makeshift barriers, in the hope that these would deter the predators.
7 सेक्टर हम लोगों ने बनाए. 7 सेक्टर में 175 लोग थे जो दिन रात जो है निगरानी करते थे. गांव वालों को समझाया जाता था कि घर में रहें और पटाखे वगैरह दगाए जाते हैं रात में, अभी तक दगाए जा रहे हैं. मकान वगैरह कच्चे हैं, फूस के बने हुए हैं. टटिया वगैरह जाल वगैरह हम लोगों ने स्वयं लगवाया है कई घरों में. अब काफ़ी लोग जागरूक हुए हैं.
पेट्रोलिंग हमारी 24 घंटे की है, दिन की भी रात की भी.
Experts suggest these wolves may have learned to target children after surviving previous operations, a rare and terrifying behavioral shift. The last fortnight has been quiet. No attacks, no screams, but for families, the silence is just as heavy as the fear, because in the tall sugarcane fields, the guest you never invited might still be lurking.